This is one of my favorite little recipes that I make, which is a chicken tortilla crunch. I named it myself. So we're going to start with some shredded chicken, a little bit of original taco seasoning. You can use the mild, of course. It will be a little less spicy. But I do like a little bit of spice to my taco or Mexican dishes. And I just added the taco seasoning just to taste, whatever you prefer, and a little water just to add some moisture to that mix. And now let me show you a secret about tortillas, flour tortillas. If you will heat your skillet first and let your tortillas heat up in the skillet without oil initially, it will make your tortillas a lot more crispier. That's what I did. You see how crispy it got prior to adding the oil when I let it heat up? That's a little tip that I can share with you that I learned over the years. So we're going to go ahead and add the shredded chicken. Now for this tortilla crunch, you can add whatever you want for the filling. Me, I'm adding the shredded chicken, some chopped onion. You can also make this recipe with ground beef or steak. So many different options. You could even use refried beans as your protein. You can add avocado. Here I'm adding some green chili. Green chili is amazing in a Mexican dish. And you might be able to hear that train noise in the background. It comes through my little city here every day about this time. So, and I've added the Fiesta blend cheeses. And now for the crunch part of this tortilla is simply the little mini tortilla round chips. Of course, you could use any kind of tortilla chips you have on hand. You can always make anything work. And this gives it that delicious crunch, similar to what you get at Taco Bell with the crunch wrap. That's almost what I'm trying to make here, is something similar to a crunch wrap from Taco Bell. And then, of course, some salsa and some delicious cilantro. Fresh cilantro, it's always the best. Now, if you don't like cilantro, definitely you can leave anything out of this recipe. You can substitute anything in this recipe that you're not fond of. And we're just going to let this crisp up on the one side. Let the cheeses melt, all the flavors come together, and I'm drizzling a little olive oil on the top of this top tortilla so that when we flip it, it will get a good crispy texture. And this was one of the best crunch wrap tortillas I have ever made. I enjoyed it so much. It's really quick and easy. You can throw this together really fast. Make it for the whole family, just for yourself. Make it for a crowd. You could also buy the extra large tortillas and make really big ones about the size of the diameter of this skillet, and you could, cut it almost like pizza slices and have it at a party. And look how delicious this turned out. Absolutely delicious. It did have a very, very good crunch. The fillings were delicious. It was just the right amount for a good lunch. I enjoyed it. Always remember to try and use fresh cilantro when you can. It makes such a difference in the taste. And just wanted you to be aware that soon I will be having a recipe that I'm posting for orange chicken. It's quick and easy. It's one of my favorite dishes. It's inspired by Panda Express. I hope you'll like it. Be sure and like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching my channel.